Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Jeep SRT precisely. Warm the engine and transmission to normal operating temperature so clutch and torque management behave predictably. Once done, confirm tires are inflated and park on a flat, clear surface for repeatable traction. Next, disable traction control and select drive or manual mode per the vehicle's procedure. This hands control to the launch system. Make sure you understand the safety steps so the car behaves consistently when you execute the launch. Now you set the system. Switch to Sport or SRT drive mode to activate the performance parameters and firm throttle mapping. With your left foot on the brake, press and hold. Then press the accelerator to the predetermined launch RPM. This value is usually between 1,500 and 2,500 depending on traction and gears, so the ECU builds boost and optimizes torque split. Once you see the launch confirmation, release the brake decisively. This sequence times engine revs, transmission clutch lockup, and traction intervention for maximum acceleration. To execute, release the brake quickly and let the launch system modulate torque. You should not feather the gas after release because the ECU controls power delivery for optimal traction. If you get excessive wheel spin, lower the launch RPM on the next run or improve traction through slightly higher tire PSI or a grippier surface. If the system flags an error, stop, toggle drive mode off and on, re-enable traction control briefly, and perform a full stop reset, then repeat the proper brake plus gas engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.